What is your name?
My name is Anthony.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you two?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Wow, that's good. What is your school name?
My school name is Greenhouse.
Very good. How many people are there in your family?
My daddy, my mom,
Okay, so there are 4 people in your family. Okay, now let me show you the picture. Can you point and say, what can you see?
the dad is yellow.
Very good.
The fish is blue.
Okay, well done.
The bird is yellow.
Okay, very good. Okay, high five.